Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we are going to discuss salary in TCS for digital profile. We will also discuss how to get digital profile and salary breakup in various components for digital profile. So component category monthly and annual. Here will be different component of digital profile salary and we will discuss both monthly salary and annual salary. Fixed compensation. Basic salary will be the first component of fixed compensation and it will be 15,000 per month and 1,80,000 annually. Bucket of benefits will be 26,522 rupees monthly and 3,18,264 rupees. And here if you notice, bucket of benefits monthly is more than the Ninja profile monthly salary. So I think it is highly motivating factor for you to attempt for digital profile. Performance pay. Monthly performance. It will be 4,200 rupees per month and 50,400 rupees annually. Performance bonus. It will be 3,200 rupees monthly and 38,400 rupees annually. City allowance. It will be 400 rupees per month and 4,800 rupees annually. Annual components or retirals. Health insurance. It will not be provided on monthly basis. However, 7,900 rupees will be provided annually. Provident fund. 1,800 rupees will be provided to you monthly and 21,600 rupees will be provided annually. Gratuity. 721 rupees monthly and 8,658 rupees annually. Total of annual component and retirals will be 2,522 rupees monthly and 38,158 rupees annually. Retention incentive. There will be no retention incentive on monthly basis. However, there will be annual retention incentive of 70,000 rupees per year. Total gross. So total gross salary will be 51,844 rupees monthly and 7,22,000 rupees annually. So your package will be of 7 lakh CTC if you are on digital profile, and your CTC monthly package will be 51,844 rupees. However, there will be some reductions. You can simply calculate them. Please don't expect 51,844 rupees in hand monthly salary. There will be certain reductions also. And now explore or learning incentive. It could be up to 60,000 rupees and it is neither on monthly basis nor on annual basis. It is just one time bonus and you can get it on the basis of your score on explore assessment. And once you crack digital profile, you will get to know everything about it. Bucket of benefits. And we have divided bucket of benefit in different categories. House rent allowance will be 7,500 rupees per month and 90,000 annually. Leave travel allowance will be 1,250 rupees monthly and 15,000 rupees annually. Food card will be provided with 500 rupees monthly and 6,000 rupees annually. Personal allowance will be 17,272 rupees monthly. Personal allowance will be 2,07,264 rupees annually. Gross bucket of benefit monthly will be 26,522 rupees and annually it will be 3,16,264 rupees. And in case you don't have food card, then 500 will be credited in your salary. Otherwise, it will be provided to you in your food card. How you can get digital profile? There are basically two methods for getting digital profile. First one, if you attempt in TCS NQT test and if you are in top 10 toppers of NQT test, then you will be eligible for digital profile interview. If you are not in top 10 toppers of NQT test, then you will simply go for Ninja profile interview. And second one is if you are working on Ninja profile in TCS, then you will get two opportunity every year in TCS to get digital profile. First one will be provided to you in month of January and second one will be provided to you in month of June. And there will be certain criteria for your eligibility to appear in this assessment, but hopefully you will get chance certainly to get digital profile. So guys, thanks for watching this video. I request all of you to subscribe this channel TCS India.